Alright, this one might be quick, man. We got the quick hit explosions. No pun intended. We got $2 spins, bro. 20 bucks. We only got 10 of them. I need it to happen nice and quick. I need them to give me some more space. Get it going, if you know what I mean. Come on. Take some wilds, come on. Take some quick hits. Get something going right quick. Oh, we needed some sevens in the front. Quick hits. Come on. Oh yeah, this is gonna be real quick. We can't get shit. We only got 2 more spins. Oh, this is horrible. Beyond horrible. Well, that's what you call an ass whooping.